Hello friends, I'm MEETA here, creative designer for Crafty Scrappers. Today I'm showing you what we have received for our DT kit. It is a card kit, so here we go with the reveal. First of all, a card is there for saying thank you for being with us on the 6th birthday of Crafty Scrappers. Then we have this premium water active dye ink pad. I've got Arctic, Apple, Forest, Daffodil, Peacock, Lavender, Sunflower, Cotton Candy. Then we've also got these Dazzle Paste, Fog, Orchid and Ballet. Shimmer Paste are there, Dreams, Sonoma and Jingle Bells. They are all packed in such cute bottles. There's also two types of stamps. One is Party Bears, cute teddies with the birthday banner and cake and gift, perfect for birthday cards. This is a Crafty Scrappers turn 6 stamp set. These are pre-stamped coloring card set which has numbers and a motif with it, teddies in it. You can color them and then use them on your card. So easy to use them. Stencil is also there, a honeycomb. It's a big size honey comb design. Then embellishments are there. The assorted embellishments are there which can be used in various projects. Then we've got pattern paper with a coordinating cardstock. Masking sheet is there to help us stamp the images. Coordinating cardstock with pattern paper is there. It's such a wholesome card kit that you don't require anything else from your stash. Everything it's in it. Golden paper is also there which is very beautiful. Then premium paper is there which can be stamped, stenciled and used for stamping and all. Then we've got these beautiful colored cords to add on the project. 6 cords are there in the kit. So this was my reveal for the DT kit for April. Now let's get started with my project. I'm making a mixed media card today. I've taken a card base of 6 by 5.5. I'm using Arctic ink pad to give a color to the edges of the card. Always blend your colors in circular motion. This way it helps to blend the colors very well. Now I've distressed the edges of the card with the distress tool. Now I've taken another white cardstock, put the gesso. When you put the gesso, the colors don't seep to the back side of the paper. It holds the color and it primes the cardstock. With the heat tool, I just dried it and taking various ink pads. I'm just randomly putting the color on the base with a paintbrush just to give a colored background. You can even use a sponge dauber and heat dry it. Now using the honeycomb stencil, orchid and ballet dazzle paste, I've stenciled it. Now with basket weave stencil, I added shimmer paste, dreams and sonoma and quickly heat dried it again. Now I'm stamping the stamp set which I'm going to use for the card. As the dye ink pads are water reactive, it is very easy to color the stamps with it. I've used almost all the colors from the ink pad to color my stamp. Now I'm just fuzzy cutting the design. Now I took a cupcake stamp from the stamp set and with the apple dye ink pad, I'm just randomly stamping over the base of the card to give a little design for the background. Now what I've done, I've taken 4 sentiments together from the stamp set. Celebrate, time for some cake, have fun and go nuts and let's party, and randomly stamping. This way we can create a nice background for the card. Now using the dotted balloon stamp from the set and with the dye ink pad, I'm just randomly stamping over the base of the card. Now I've colored a small piece of cheesecloth with forest ink pad and placing it as the border on the card. Now added the pattern paper, a small strip. Now I'm adding double-sided foam tape on the stamped image and placed it on the right side of the card. Added the star embellishment on the star balloons, tied the yellow cord below. Now added the previously pressed cardstock on the card base, then added the card on it. Finally placed the sentiment. I hope you have liked my card. Don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Scrappers YouTube channel. See you soon with another video tutorial. Do check out other DT members' inspirations and video tutorial posts. Thank you.